Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the right access and a clean environment before diving in. First, confirm you have owner or editor permissions on the Google Cloud project, and make sure billing is active. Once done, open Chrome or a Chromium-based browser and clear cache and cookies, target 0. 51 GB if heavy use. Next, check AI Studio project quotas and API enablement. Enable the Vertex AI and IAM APIs if missing. This combination fixes many startup blocks and gets you ready for deeper troubleshooting. Now you'll drill into configuration and resource details. Verify service accounts used by AI Studio have required roles and rotate keys if expired. This prevents auth failures. Then inspect model endpoints, region selection, and attached compute. Make sure resources match the model's requirements and quotas. Enable Stackdriver logging or cloud logging at debug level to capture runtime errors and reproduce the failure step-by-step so logs map to actions. Doing these middle steps reveals misconfigurations and resource mismatches, causing the problem. Finish by applying identified fixes and validating behavior. Redeploy the model or restart the AI Studio session, then test with a small, known good input to isolate variables. Monitor logs and cloud monitoring for 5-10 minutes to confirm no new errors appear, and walk through permissions or regional fallbacks if issues persist. If you still see problems, try incognito mode with minimal extensions and a different network. This eliminates local cache or extension interference and often resolves stubborn UI or auth problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.